Welcome to MC51's introduction video. MC51 application methods. You can apply MC51 by dipping, wiping, or spraying. Soak. This method is recommended for deep rust. Fill a plastic tub with MC51 and immerse the rusted part until it is fully covered. Remove the part once the rust is removed. Do not soak more than 48 hours or the part may turn a dark color and there may be a slight etching on the surface of the metal. For deep rust, let the part dip until no rust is on the part. When the part is placed horizontally, rust will not drip off. It is absorbed by MC51 and stays on top as black mat that you just wash off. Wipe. This method is recommended on light surface rust. Soak a wipe with MC51 solution and apply to the rusted area using a circular motion until all the rust is removed. Spray. This method is recommended on light surface rust. Apply MC51 until the rusted surface is fully wet. Rust will immediately start to dissolve. Reapply spray as needed until all the rust is completely removed. A light scrubbing will speed up the rust removal process. For medium rust, you must respray the surface several times until rust is removed. After use. We recommend rinsing the metal right after it is pulled from the bath. Tiny molecules of iron will be held in suspension in the MC51 solution, and these molecules should be rinsed off with water or they will cause a re-rusting of the metal. On spray or wipe application, it is enough to remove all residues using a clean rag or absorbing paper. Disposal. Dispose of MC51 in accordance with local regulations. Most users simply flush the used solution down the local sewer system. Ongoing protection. Based on test results, MC51 keeps rust from reforming on the metal for up to 3 months. This is much longer than other rust removers. Bare metal will always have a tendency to rust, so a rust-inhibitive product should be used to keep the rust from forming. Cautions. MC51 will not damage any polymers, plastics, or coatings, and can even be used on painted surfaces without damaging most paints. MC51 only attacks the rust. 2 exceptions are cadmium, used in some plating materials, and zinc coatings, which can be removed with prolonged exposure to MC51. Other applications. MC51 will also remove copper oxidation as effectively as rust. Tarnished copper will be restored to its original sheen. Safety. MC51 is safe. It doesn't contain solvents, VOCs, hazardous or toxic ingredients. MC51 is biodegradable and environmentally friendly. As with any chemical product, people with skin sensitivities should use gloves and goggles during use. MC51 is non-hazardous and non-toxic and can be shipped by postal delivery, courier delivery, or carrier freight. On the rear label of each bottle, there is a QR code with a link to the safety datasheet. Thank you for attending this MC51 introduction video.